Introducing India's first Advanced Hydrogen Water Ionizer with RO technology designed to give you safe, clean and hygiene-rich water every day. Inspired by modern smart device engineered for precision and ease. Timely replacement of filters every 6,000 liters. Every internal component is purpose-built, ensuring that what reaches your glass is not just clean water, but water engineered for well-being. Experience certified 7-stage filtration for superior purity. Inhibits bacterial/viral regrowth during water storage. Dual cell platinum coated titanium plates and PEM/SPE membrane to enhance hydrogen generation. Advanced hydrogen water with powerful antioxidants, ideal minerals, high flow capacity and 3 water modes for everyday wellness. Adjust TDS levels as per your preference for perfect drinking water. Choose from multiple models designed for home, office and industrial. Start your day with hydrogen water. A powerful antioxidants, fight oxidative stress, feel more energized, recover faster and hydrate better. Hydrogen water is supported by over 1,500 peer-reviewed scientific studies published in Elsevier, PubMed and other reputed international journals. Clinically validated for safety and performance. Drink smarter, live better.